my little friends. Welcome back to Fun with Shakuntala. I am Shakuntala, and today we're going to learn something super exciting. Body parts. Are you ready? Let's wiggle and giggle our way through this. Now let's play a little Where Is It game. When I say a body part, you point to it. Ready? Let's go. Eyes. Where are your eyes? Can you blink them? Blink, blink. Head. Tap your head gently. That's where your brain lives. Nose. Boop. That's your nose. Can you smell something yummy? Ears. These help us hear. Wiggle your ears if you can. Mouth. Say cheese. That's your smiling mouth. Hands. Clap them. High five. Clap, clap, clap. Feet. Stomp, stomp. Wow, what strong feet. Elbows. Bend your arms. That's your elbow. Neck. Wiggle it like a giraffe. That's your neck. Knees. Touch your knees and do a little dance. Shakuntala, time for a fun quiz. I'll describe a body part, and you guess it. I'm round. I sit on top. I wear hats sometimes. What am I? Head. Yes, it's your head. Let's do one more. I help you grab your toys and wave to your friends. What am I? Kids, hands. You got it. Clap those smart little hands. How about this one? I'm between your head and your shoulders, and you can turn me left and right. What am I? Neck. That's right. It's your neck. And one more. I help your legs bend when you walk and run. What am I? Knees. Yes, those are your knees. One last tricky one. I'm in the middle of your arm. I help it bend like a robot arm. What am I? Elbow. Spot on. That's your elbow. Closing goodbye song. You all did so well today. I'm super proud of you. Now let's sing our goodbye song together. Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to go. We've learned so much. Now you know, body parts from head to toe. See you next time. Don't be slow. Bye-bye, little stars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fun with Shakuntala. See you next time. Mwah! Love!